Hello, my name is Amina, and I attend Galen College of Nursing, their Nashville campus. I am currently in the BSN program, heading towards my final quarter in September. And so far, my experience here at Galen has always been positive. Everyone is, making sure that you're okay, that you understand the content, and if you don't, they're making sure you have the necessary tools to make sure you are successful in the program. Um, Everybody has always been so welcoming. With the first dean, Dr. McKenzie, she showed me around the campus, told me about the program, and it really opened my eyes to the nursing world. And it wanted me to be, I wanted to be included in that atmosphere. I've always known that I wanted to be in the medical field. I wasn't sure if I would do the medical school route or nursing school, but I did know I wanted to be more hands-on with patients. And hearing about Galen College of Nursing and the background of nursing, it helped me make my decision to go to nursing school. I currently work at Centennial, and that has helped me gain my experiences in terms of how to do those hands-on tasks with patients, and basically taking what I've learned here in nursing school and applying it to working with patients. And it's helped me get rid of those anxieties and working with patients face to face, and how that could be kind of nerve-wracking, not knowing what to say sometimes, but knowing that you want to comfort patients in their trying times. So yeah.